In this video, I'm going to show you how to send your PayPal money from your PayPal account to a cash withdrawal. My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload 3 different types of content weekly, and those 3 types of content are gaming, editing, and online money videos. And if any of those subjects sound interesting to you, smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as this is an online money video that you have clicked because it's interesting and valuable to you. Right now, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to send your PayPal money for a cash withdrawal. Let's get into it. So the first thing you will need is your PayPal account. Log into your PayPal via the PayPal application. Then when you have a PayPal balance, you will see this on screen. For example, here I have £6 available. If I select Send, which is in the bottom menu, you can see now that you can send bank deposits or money, which is absolutely amazing. This is a complete game changer for PayPal because this previously wasn't available to most users. But more and more features from PayPal are being rolled out to more users. So stay tuned to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel because I will always update you when a new feature is made available, especially with services like PayPal, as PayPal is one of the services that we cover frequently here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Now I'm going to select the Send Bank Deposits or Money, and we have some more information. This reads Send Bank Deposits or Money. Over 130 destination countries. Recipient doesn't need a PayPal account. So already we've found that this is applicable to over 130 countries. The recipient, meaning the person who is receiving the money that you are sending, does not need a PayPal account. And then the last statement here reads, recipient doesn't pay transaction fees. Again, a complete game changer. PayPal is making more and more features available to more users, and this is democratizing PayPal and helping you if you do not have access to a bank account. But of course, if you're sending money abroad, this is also brilliant. It also reads, by selecting continue, you accept the Xoom user agreement. Now I'm going to call it Xoom for now, but you can see the spelling on screen. It's X-O-O-M. I will be showing you how to sign up for this service also on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and that video will appear in the online money playlist. Don't forget to search through the online money playlist for more videos like this. By selecting continue, you agree to that third-party terms and conditions, and then you will be asked to log into your Xoom PayPal account. You will be automatically logged into your Xoom account if you have one already. You would then select how much you would like to send. For example, you can select your currency here. I'm given 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of currencies. Of course, I'm sending from Great British Pounds, so I'm going to select that now. I'm also going to select my amount, which is going to be £6. The minimum amount that I can send via Xoom is 7 Great British Pounds. I don't have this in my PayPal balance at the moment, so I'm not able to send this transaction. But you can see that the receiving amount for the person on the other end also reads £6. But you will also have a transaction fee when you are sending this amount, and you can look up the details here. These are the details of the transaction. You can see that you are sending £6, which we can't do because it's below the minimum amount that we can send. The transaction fee would be £1.99, and your total that you would pay for this transaction in total would be £7.99. It also shows you how much the recipient receives when they withdraw the cash. It also reads, transfers subject to review and may be delayed or stopped if an issue is identified. We may wait for a payment before sending your transfers. Xoom also offers a money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. I like that because if you're trying to send any money and there is an issue, your money will be returned back to your PayPal account. But this is the process of how you can send your PayPal balance to cash, either for a bank withdrawal or into cash. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also ask me any questions down below this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. There's much more to come, and we'll be covering more features as they're being rolled out to PayPal, and there are other online money processes that we also cover right here. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.